and welcome back. We are thrilled to be speaking with one of the brightest young talents who emerged as a winner of the Appreciation Award of the poster making competition organized by Gemma. This competition celebrated creativity, originality, and the power of visual storytelling. And today we have with us someone really special, that is Chatusha. Welcome, Chatusha. How are you?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really good, and it's such a wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts and share my happiness in the process of winning this medal for a poster.
That's really great. Firstly, congratulations on your win. Okay, can you tell us about your, poster and what it was and what inspired you for getting that idea for making the poster?
Well, I think, firstly, my topic, the theme for my poster was AI, boon or bane. And in this, current world where technology is emerging every second, we have new things that are coming up every minute, and we get to know a lot of things which are going around the world. And one thing that inspired my poster was, that the thought that AI is everywhere in the way we live, the way we shop, and sometimes even the way we think, right? And I think through my poster, one thing that I clearly wanted to depict was both the promises and the caution that AI comes with. And I just wanted to represent my thoughts, whether not something that AI is good or AI is bad, but just that, AI is. Like the way we use AI, and it's totally our responsibility on how it turns out, whether it's an advantage or a disadvantage. And that was the primary goal of my, poster.
That is really nice. That was really good. Okay, we totally get it, and very nice thought process. Okay, so how did you plan or prepare for your poster? Did you follow yeah, as you told, I think the theme and the message you've already shared. So how did you plan for this overall?
Uh, I'm sure that this wasn't a one-shot thing. It took me a lot of effort to sketch different, art forms, because I didn't. It took me a lot of time to think whether which medium I wanted to use, which style I wanted to use, whether it was, freestyle or sometimes. It's better to represent posters in a very cartoonistic
Yes.
with a cartoonistic approach. So that was, there was a lot of research, because I wanted to represent the places where AI was succeeding, where it was, not of very great advantage and hurting human sentiments. So yeah, it took a lot of effort for that.
But I think the effort paid off well because you have
Yeah,
won.
definitely,
Yes. Okay.
definitely.
What tools or materials did you use while bringing your poster into life?
Initially, I started with, A3 ivory sheets are always my go-to for posters. But this time I wanted to try alcohol markers, but that failed miserably. And I again ended up using my color pencils and watercolors. Of course, I let my intrusive thoughts win by using alcohol markers in the end. But it definitely turned out well. I tried to incorporate, really bright colors, because I was using this split theme. On the left, I represented AI with its advantages and on the right, I represented AI with its disadvantages. So I use like really dark colors like, coffee brown or black on the right, and bright and lively colors like green, blue, and yellow on the left. So that made it very appealing visually.
Really, really, it was really nice. All right. So the basic question we forgot in the start, but how did you feel when you won this competition? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, when I first received a message through my teachers, that she literally, when I entered the school, and she was like, Chitursha. And I'm like, excuse me, ma'am, is there something wrong? And then she's like, you won the competition. And I'm like, it literally took me a few seconds to register that. But it was definitely, I felt really great, because all your hard work, all the night stays, and all of it was worth it.
Definitely. How did you face any challenges while you're making the posters? And if so, how did you overcome that? I think one of the
Like
challenge you
I
mentioned
mentioned,
already. Yeah.
yes, medium and all of that. But the biggest challenge was, I think, trying to put together all the numerous ideas that were just popping in my mind to make a visually appealing piece that actually narrates a story.
Yes, that's definitely true.
Because
Uh,
a very important part of poster is both words and art form. It should clearly depict what you are wanting to, um, express. Unlike many art forms, like many artists, our works tend to just leave it to the audience interpretation. But a poster actually should represent what your thoughts are. And putting my thoughts into one single piece was a big challenge.
yes, but it's very nice. You've overcome that, and I think what you wanted to say was has reached everybody in the right
Yes.
way. Okay, so who supported you or encouraged you during this entire competition?
I think I should be honest in this part and just not give credits to anyone. I give credits to all the credits to myself because I
Yes.
think it was self determination, motivation, and uh, like I mentioned, just the random thoughts. Whether is we are we using AI or is AI using us? Like that's one of the most common questions that's going around recently. And on an
Yes.
average, every week we see an article in the newspaper about AI, right? So all those thoughts just motivated me to trust my guts and instincts and move forward with this and
That is
just
good.
trust
I
the
like
process.
the self-confidence you have in yourself, and I think it proved
Yeah.
self-confidence is the most important one.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. It was really nice. So, what do you enjoy the most about making posters or doing creative work like this?
um when I usually make posters, one thought that keeps me going and lets me trust the process is that at the end of the day it gives you some satisfaction that your idea is taking a perfect shape. It's conveying something that a lot of people might not understand through like 1 hour long speeches or podcasts or whatever, like something that people
Yes.
may not understand as evidently as you portray it in art. And sometimes it's also therapeutic because a lot's running in your life and there's a lot of thing that stresses you, but at the end of the day you are like you find yourself sketching a robot's eye for 2 hours.
True,
Because
true. Uh,
yeah, and yeah, that's what keeps me going again.
that's nice. That's great. Okay, is it your first time winning a competition like this, or have you participated in any other creative activities similar to this one?
I've participated in a lot of competitions, to be honest. And recently there was again this poster making competition on Indian currency, and I'm glad to share that we won second position in that.
Wow, that's really
Yeah,
nice.
so
Okay.
I frequently participate in a lot of competitions, but I'm sure this is one of my first competition where I won like international recognition.
Yes, definitely. That
And
is really nice. So, how did this competition help you in terms of growth, personality, or creativity?
I'm sure that you can also see my confidence right now because, like, when you know that you've won, like, you've gained international recognition, like at that such big level, you just know your confidence spikes.
Right,
And I
definitely.
think I just, even on a personal level, I feel that, I should trust my instincts more frequently and not have like a doubt on myself or like my thoughts and just move forward with it.
That's really nice. So, is there any advice you would like to give others or other peers in and around you about participating in the future, poster competitions if you have?
Yeah, definitely. One thing I would like to advise all students is that you should never you should never take part in a competition to win medals or awards, but you should do that because you are interested in it. You should trust the process. You should trust your ideas, your guts, and it's more like you are narrating a story of your own, your
Yes.
side of the story, your side of the theme, what you think, and you should not overthink in that process.
Yes, definitely,
And
definitely.
yeah, I'm sure that their confidence also will spike like mine when they participate in such competitions. And yeah,
That's great. That's really nice. I think one of the most inspiring thought today we would take from you is that, self-confidence. You should always trust
definitely.
your instincts. Okay,
Yeah.
that's very nice.
I think that's something which I've been repeating too much in the interview, but I would also like everyone to pay equal emphasis on that. And more the reason I'm saying that many times.
That's really nice. So, your mom is over there, so I think she's one of your inspiration as well in all of this sketching.
She is definitely my inspiration, but also my biggest cheerleader.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's really great.
So if she finds me working on something, she just peeps in and she's like, "Yeah, it's going good." But then she also gives me some criticism, like, "I don't think this is the way it's supposed to be." But at the end of the day, she is equally, or sometimes even more satisfied than me with my work.
I can see her, I can see that feeling in her smile itself today. She's smiling
Yeah,
and she's so proud. I can see that
yeah, she
of your
definitely is.
achievement. Yeah, that's really nice. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you? Very good.
I'm great. I'm great. Ma'am, first question. I think this is not a question already people will be knowing who's watching you. How did you feel when you got to know that, she's won the poster making competition?
It was very exciting and it was very proud moment. I felt very happy.
Okay, nice. Mama, in what ways did you help her, during this competition and how?
No, it was her hard work. I'm not involved in any activity on it.
And like I
Okay.
told
She,
you, she's my biggest cheerleader. She doesn't step in to give me ideas because I think she always feels that I should use my brain.
That is
But
very true. I think this is very much needed, when, your own self creativity comes out. Not everybody is
right,
joining in. That's really nice.
yes,
That's also a way of motivation. Good. That's really
yes.
nice. Okay. So, ma'am, have you seen a growth in your child's creativity or confidence through this competition? Anything?
as it helps her it shows her significant improvement in artistic skills and creativity work.
Yes, that's really true. And I think in confidence, though, I can only give assurity she has really great confidence right now. That's really nice. Okay. Ma'am, ma'am, how do you feel like? How do you think that how important do you think such competitions are for your child's overall development, like in general? Yeah.
From her childhood only, she is involved in competition related to her interest. We
Yes.
believe that it will help to her development. It help to her build self confidence, creativity, hard work.
Yes, definitely. So, ma'am, one message that you would like to give, parents or students who are willing to participate in such creativity events like that.
We would encourage all the parents to give her support to the children to give her competitive, creative works. It will build up her creative workouts, thinking knowledge.
Yes,
I
definitely,
think,
definitely. Yeah,
yeah, I
please.
would just like to add to her point. Like,
Yes.
since my childhood, they've like always paid, special attention, like just like all parents towards my studies. But there was this one aspect where they just uh, let my creativity take its shape. Like, they would just let me
Yes.
do things that I really wish to, and
Wow.
that's definitely what she would convey for other parents as well.
Yes, that's very nice. That's really great. Actually, at this time, I think we should focus more on creativity rather than lot of, had unwanted pressure for, do a study or, usually that is what
Yes,
happens at places. So
I
that's
will
really
also
nice.
do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will also do that to see her study. Do why are you wasting your
Yeah,
time
she definitely
like
does that.
that?
I think it's what parents often feel
Yes.
that their child should not waste their time on unnecessary things. But at the same time, they would also love for us to, show our creativity and
I
just
think both
gain recognition and
equally they are
everything.
important. Academics
Yes.
as well as creativity. Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
and plus in such a rapidly developing world where your skills are more important than what you've learned through mucking
Exactly.
up or learning through textbooks.
Yes.
See, that's how you have to live from now on.
Yes, definitely. 100% true. So, yes, it was very nice talking to you. A lot of information I gained, and it was really nice to see your confidence. Okay, something that I think everybody would also appreciate about. So, it was nice having you, and especially you also, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you as well. So, yeah. Okay, wishing to see you again in similar competitions and again the similar interviews
Thank you very
ahead.
much.
Yes. It was nice having you. Thank you so much. And yeah, have a great day. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much.